Hi, thehavasuhiker here, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about what I carry in my pack when I go hiking on just even a short trip. See, I have my survival kit on, and I also have my pack. And it's a small pack, it's about 25-30 liters, but it expands exponentially, and I have a lot of add-ons that I can put onto it. So, let's get started, shall we? So just for some context, it's about 109 out today, and I know I advised against going out in temperatures past 105, but I'm doing this just for you, just so I can relate to you exactly what it takes to be out here in this kind of weather. You'll notice I have my K-bar on here for the simple fact that when I was walking out here this afternoon, my K-bar fell off my 782 gear because it's so hot, or it's been so hot, that the glue melted off my duct tape. So I have to resecure it later, but it's secured perfectly on here. Secondly, you'll notice I have my Canteen here, and it's a 1-quart Canteen. I always refer to it as a 1.5 quart, but it's actually a 1 quart. And it's got an extra pouch here on the side where I keep a few snacks in case I get stuck out here overnight or something. We'll come around to the front. I have a little red light on here for signaling. I use that mostly for my bike when I'm biking. And I have some extra pouches on the front here. This one carries my binoculars, and we'll check that out in a minute. And then I've got a first aid kit over here with my name and my blood type on it, just in case I'm incapacitated and unable to relate my information. Now, on the front of my pack, you'll notice I have a pouch for my phone, which I'm using right now. And I also have an extra add-on clip for my pack strap. And in here, I usually carry my sunglasses or something similar to that. And in here, I have an extra knife with a flashlight on it and a seat cutter. And I have the tape, which is now garbage. And also, this is a good idea to check your pack, because I'm always adding stuff to my survival kit and taking stuff away. This is a eyeglass repair kit, which is great to have out in the field. I just forgot I had it. Also, you notice I have my cooler bag with my cooler hose for my hydration pack. Now, currently I have a 2-liter bladder in there, so the 2 liters with the 1 quart, and I'm also carrying another quart on my belt, so that's significant amount of water. You never know how long you're going to be out here. Even on a short hike, you could sprain an ankle, you could break your phone, combination of all that. So as you can see, this one has a pouch on the outside for the hydration pack. It also, you can carry it on the inside, and it has a hole here for the hose for the hydration pack. And for now, I choose to keep mine on the outside. That's just where I like it. It's cool against my back. But you can definitely have that option to put it on the inside, because out in the desert, water's a little scarce, and we always want to have different options. And purify water, maybe we have to boil it, maybe we have to drop some tabs in it, maybe some iodine, whatever. Maybe we're going to use a survival straw. But you have to be ready to do it. I said this is a pack for a short hike, and let's get into what the contents are. Some of these outer add-on pouches, shall we? On this one right here, I have a power bank, which is solar powered, with a flashlight. It's waterproof, and it has dual outlets so that you can power multiple objects at once, like my phone and my headphones or whatever I have. Next, I have a pair of binoculars, and these are 10 by 25s, and they're great to check out where I'm going and where I've been. And definitely you want that if you get some high ground out here. You do not want to be trekking around in circles in the desert. So you going to want something to plot a course with besides a map. The next thing I have is a charging cable. And this is a magnetic charging cable. Actually, there's two of them here. And they both fit into my power bank. One actually can be used to charge it up. But this magnetic one comes with a bunch of little outlets, such as the A, the B, the C. I don't know if you can see that. Those come in really handy because my phone, my headphones, and this thing are all different. And you'll notice this also has a compass on it. I'm not sure how good it is, but I hope I never have to find out. Next, I'm going to check out my water bottle. And it is a 1-quart water bottle, single-walled, as you know. Inside here it has a pouch, which you can use for just about anything. And I have some snacks in here, some trail mix. And that's what I carry in there. I have an IFAK. And this is my first aid kit. And it's going to hold just basic stuff, boo-boo stuff. You'll also notice I have some tampons in here, which are great for wounds, clotting blood. That's what they're used for. And starting fires. I also have some gauze, a regular boo-boo kit, and some, what is this? Some Dermaplast for disinfecting wounds, open wounds really quick. And here I have some other things. Some tape, some gloves, some aspirins, some aspirins, some Tylenol, and I have some much touted iodine for cleansing wounds and purifying water. Now let's look at the front here. So got this secured because Marines like things tight. And if you'll notice, I've got this little expansion thing here, which I currently have my K-bar attached to. So I'm by no means the last authority when it comes to stuff like this. I love to hear people's comments or suggestions. I always learn. I always try and keep an open mind to learn as much as I can.